Complete your evening look wearing these gorgeous heels by Chinese Laundry. They feature a synthetic upper with an open-toe silhouette and 2 straps that crisscross over the ankle with an adjustable buckle closure to give you a secure and custom fit, and 2 other straps that go over the toe to lock them into place. They have a gold metallic finish from heel to toe, giving you a dressy and stylish look, making it perfect for an evening out on the town. Inside, there is a synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get a little over a 3-inch boost in height with a slender wrapped block heel at the back, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole. Rock these babies wearing a nice cocktail dress or dress them down with skinny jeans.